So this unit had a low coolant alarm. The coolant was not low. Sensor was replaced recently. I cut the wires off the sensor here. These are just splices so that they can be disconnected later on for additional testing if needed. And I checked resistance from this wire disconnected to this face to see most of the time when a wire breaks inside the insulation happens right along here where there's a bend. There's a considerable amount of tension on this when I got here, so it's plausible that the wire could be broken inside the insulation. That wasn't the case, so I put it back together and then checked the back side of the plug going into the Nexus panel, and I found it seems to have dried on that side. Just a little bit of water on one side. Looking at the diagram, confirmed my suspicion that so WLS is coolant level sensor. We go to our pinout. WLS AB is 3132. It's hard to read and look at the camera at the same time. And this is right in that area. The water droplet moved after I disconnected it. You can see right there that corrosion on the pin. That's 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 31, WLSA. That connection, that little bit of corrosion, is why I had the low coolant sensor error. Last thing, the fix for this, I'm going to clean this up, and on the around the edge of the plug here, I'm going to pack it with silicone grease to prevent any more water from coming through.